Hey everyone, my name is Isaac. I work with Clayton Homes, and I would love to introduce you to the Hazel by Bonneville. Now this home is going to be 1,780 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2 living areas, and an office. So to start things out, I love the huge open floor plan. Love those. Great big window, and the combination with the back door lets in a ton of light. And of course, one of my personal little favorites is the remote for the ceiling fan. And here in the living room, we also have a coat closet. You'd be surprised at how many places do not have a coat closet. Love the 9-foot ceilings with the recessed lighting. Let's go check out the master. Got a 14 by 14 master bedroom. Of course, the 9-foot ceilings and a great big window. Coming off the master, we have the master bath. His and her sinks. It's a deal breaker for my wife. 60-inch tile shower and a 60-inch deck tub as well. And in this particular model, the closet is actually located here in the restroom. If you take a look, nice big closet. If you can stretch your arms out and spin around in the closet, pretty decent closet. Starting off, I love the drop-in soffit ceiling that's right above the island, which the island has storage on either side and shelving on both ends. And if you take a look at the solid surface edging on the countertop here, it's very nice because that prevents you from hitting the corner, catching your hip on an edge or something. Nobody likes that. Huge walk-in pantry. And I love the staggered cabinetry that we have in here. It's a really nice touch. And the smoke glass and the cabinet doors, pretty sweet. Also love the dual bowl farmhouse sink. Can't go wrong with the gooseneck faucet. And to tie it all together, we have the grunge iron tile backsplash and the LED lights under the cabinetry. Of course, we have the dining room here and the sliding back door with the transit window. And come check out this view. View of the Grand Mesa, the largest flat top mountain in the world. Who wouldn't want that out their back door every day, huh? So we have the spare rooms over on this end with the guest bathroom. Nice little Harry Potter closet under the stairs here. Nice place to toss a Christmas tree. So we have spare room 1, spare room 2, guest bath, and check out this utility slash mudroom. Love the sink. Washer and dryer go right here. And of course there's a cabinetry for all those pesky cleaners that we keep under the kitchen sink you can put in here. Get them all out of the way. And of course we have an attached 2-car garage with an open loft, which is a great place for storage. Now, let's go check out the upstairs. So upstairs, we have a whole other living area, a bedroom, and an office. Let's check out the office first. Love the recessed lighting, great big window, and we have a little flex space over here around the corner that you can use for whatever you would like. And the living area has tons of outlets, which is nice. Ceiling fan, recessed lighting, and of course a little remote for the ceiling fan. And I particularly love this little area. Great spot for a chair or a chase lounge. You can sit and read a book, just kind of relax right here by the window. It's nice. And then of course we have the other bedroom up here. Great big window, Of course, again, with the recessed lighting and outlets everywhere. It's one of my things I hate the most when you walk into a room and there's not enough outlets. Pain in the butt. Well, guys, I want to thank you for checking out the Hazel with me. Now, you can always reach me again. My name is Isaac. It's Clayton Homes. Our phone number is 970-245-9039. Feel free to reach out to me anytime. Thank you.